Okay, this is inventory number 2641. It's a 4-post down-acting 40-ton press and power unit. Press is guarded on the sides and the rear with bolted-on expanded metal guarding. The front of the press is guarded with 2 light curtains. The press also has plug-in safety blocks. So you unplug them, put them in the press. It won't run until you take them back off. They hang on the side, plug them back in. We're just going to go ahead and demonstrate 2 cycles up and down on the press. Press comes down, hits the down limit switch and pressure switch, and returns to the top. That completes inventory number 2641, 40-ton, 4-post down-acting press.